Hello, and we're here in Universal Studios today. Visit at Universal. It's a 10-minute wait. Perfect. It's down, and they just reopened. So I'm excited. Last day, not bad.
Additional screening required. Make your best
New modes at your last electricity.
Attention all buildings. For the safety and well-being of everyone, smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited at billing time Minion Blast.
These are the guns they're going to give us to use to shoot. It's basically similar to Buzz and Woody, which we love. Okay. Ooh, heavy gun. Oh, it's doing something. I don't know what I did. Turn right. There's people who hit 2 million. Wow. It was kind of hard to know what to hit, but you did find your little color. At least by the second string, I would say. The screen over there. Well, yeah. That was fun. It's hot in there too, the screen, but it was really cool. It moved slow. It did stop at one point, the floor, because you're on a moving floor. So So you don't move, you just stay on your dot, floor moves for you. And it did stop, and I kind of did one of these like, whoa, but nothing crazy. And then when it told us it was starting, and when it started, I really jerked forward. So just be prepared. There's banisters, so you can hold yourself. You know, now that I'm telling you, I didn't know that, so next time when I will be holding it down. Just so that, because I didn't know the person in front of me, I didn't know the person behind me. So I don't want to reach out to them to kind of grasp for balance. So there's a little banister there for you. But you know, I'm really happy that I got to do that. It's literally the only ride I can do here at Universal after all the changes they did. Bye, Universal. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. My name is Stephanie. Thank you for being a part of my world.